What is up, guys? So I'm in my car right now and I just experienced like a weird noise and it's coming from the steering. So I just turned on the car like halfway so the engine's not on, but let me turn it for you. You hear that? You hear that? So my wheels are straight right now and I turn it like a little bit this way, a little bit this way. It makes like a little popping noise. And I read on the forums, I think it's my track bar, and I'm going to go outside and just check it out. And I'm going to look up the proper specs to torque it up. And then hopefully once I torque it up, it doesn't do that noise anymore. Alright guys, so I'm under the Jeep right now. I thought I needed some grease in some of these joints right here, so I got my grease gun out. That didn't do anything. It just made a big mess because I already had a lot of grease in it. But I was right. It was the track bar. And it was weird because I read on the forums, it said it should be around 40 foot-pounds of torque for this one right here. But I did that and it didn't work and it kept making noise. But then I told someone to just, turn the wheel. So I got under here and I saw this move, so I knew it was this thing. So I kept slowly moving the torque up to like 72 pounds of torque. Then I did that and everything just works and it doesn't make any more noise, and I'll just show you how it sounds. But yeah, that's the culprit, the track bar. Just make sure this is tightened. 40 foot-pounds did not work for me. Around 70 worked for me, and 60. But definitely try that. Alright, so here it is. We're gonna turn the wheel again. And there's no more noise. But before, this thing was moving. So it was loose. But we fixed it, everything's good, no more noise, we're good. Alright guys, if you have any other questions, thanks for watching, but that is a huge major cause for def wobble if you don't tighten that down all the way. Alright guys, thanks for watching and comment down below. Peace. Alright guys, so I am back in the car and let's hear how it sounds when I turn my wheel. Smooth, nothing, no noise whatsoever, no popping noise. And I mean, I'm so glad I fixed it. Thank you Jeep Forum and whatever Wrangler Forum, they really helped me out to figure out the problem. Basically it was that track bar bolt. You need to tighten it down all the way. It says 40 foot-pounds, however I tried that, it didn't work, so I did 60 foot-pounds and that worked. Well, it didn't really work, so I did 65 pounds, then it worked, but I just wanted to be a little more sure, so I made it at 72, just cause. That should be good for a while. I don't think anything should be wrong with that, but yeah guys, thanks for watching, and have a nice day. I hope you guys learned something about your Jeep if you have that same problem. Peace.